Welcome to this second tutorial of 3dSlicer. This tutorial uses 3dSlicer version 5.6.0 stable release for Windows, but it is also valid for Linux or OS operative systems. The MR Brain Tumor 1 sample data should be loaded. This part is oriented to show the rendering capabilities. To initiate the tutorial, let's explore the Modules menu. Modules menu, that is placed on the top menu, manages the main functional modes of Slicer. First, select data from the drop-down menu to visualize scene nodes. Each scene node is a data entity jointly with applied functions. The MR Brain Tumor 1 is a volume data type. Visibility can be enabled or disabled from the windows checking the visibility column. To obtain the 3D rendering of the volume, drag MR Brain Tumor 1 to the 3D view. Please, rotate, zoom, translate 3D view to familiarize with this window. Now, change to volume rendering in the Modules drop-down menu. The volume visibility can be changed with the eye icon. Input shows volume-associated data. Display offers several visualization color presets that can be used. Each preset is designed for a different type of data or anatomical region. Please, select different presets to watch the visualization effects. For this case studio, Mr. Default is a correct option. Crop functionalities are useful to define crop planes and obtain internal views. Please, enable crop and display ROI to visualize the voxel ROI. Cropping planes can be modified in both 2D and 3D views. Now, change the sagittal crop plane to visualize the tumor.